Tonight, we learned the very latest on a case that made national news in March. Just this week, a judge ruled a 15-year-old girl will remain in the juvenile court system as opposed to the adult system. This stems from a viral video right here showing a high school fight near Hazelwood East. Justina Cornell has the latest from the newsroom. Justina.
And earlier today, I spoke with the attorney for 15-year-old Marnice DeClue. She's accused of leaving another Hazelwood East student with brain damage. Now, DeClue's attorney tells me they're happy with the judge's latest decision.
So the case is staying in juvenile court, and she's not being certified to the adult court.
Attorney Greg Smith hoped for this decision.
If a 15-year-old were to be convicted as an adult, that stays with that child for the rest of their life.
His client is 15-year-old Marnice DeClue. She's accused of leaving another student, Kaylee Gain, with brain damage.
She's still presumed innocent. Just because we talk about the seriousness of the offense does not mean that she's guilty of that offense.
It's a case that garnered national attention through a viral video. Politicians, including Missouri Attorney General Andrew Bailey, called for DeClue to be certified as an adult.
What we wanted also went along with what the statute says, and the statute that the judge is required to follow. We met each one of those factors.
Smith explained a judge looks at several factors when making this decision, including previous history. DeClue has none.
My client also very happy, her family very happy. It's a really stressful, tense situation because you just, in situations like this, with the amount of attention the case has gotten, with the allegation as serious as it is, very tense, stressful situation. So there's some relief, but now our focus obviously shifts to the next part of the case.
Earlier this month, Gain's family said the 16-year-old spent a month in the hospital, followed by 2 weeks in a rehabilitation center. Gain is still undergoing physical and mental health therapy and will require at least one more surgery. As the case continues, DeClue remains detained.
She wants to come home. Her family wants her home.
Now, I did reach out to Gain's attorney for comment or any other updates this morning, but we haven't heard back just yet. Next week, there will be a case management conference. That's where the parties will meet, figure out what's next, and a judge will hear from both sides.